we're going to go over the archetypes of Saturn, Moon, Capricorn, Cancer. That's the astrology that we're going to get into. And then we're going to revisit the conversation that we had last week with the archetypal tools that we're going to go over, and then kind of see what comes up for folks as well when we now have like a better understanding of like the astrology.
Think about the emotional, familial, intergenerational anchors for your activism. What is the soil that you got planted in? What is the soil that has nourished your body? And I mean that literally and also as a metaphor. The wisdom of water is that we are moved, right? Like that's how change happens, is people are moved and they feel. So what are you moved by? What are you feeling? And what kind of plant are you, babe? Like, what are you trying to grow? What is this plant wanting to breathe in harmony with? Then you might also consider, your inheritances. Your inheritances include everything that made your body and has made your body. Your lineages, these are big words for Capricorn. How power has shaped you, right? And your belief systems and your allegiances. And what are you carrying forward and developing?
When we're thinking of practicality, it isn't necessarily like we can't do that thing. It is asking, do we have the resources and the knowledge to be able to actually make that thing happen? And I think a lot of people misunderstand when Capricorn is like, no, we can't do that. It's not because we don't think it's possible. If someone were to ask me, can you Photoshop something for me? No, I can't, because I don't know how to do that. Right? It's not that it's not practical. I literally do not possess the things to do, the thing that you're asking me to do. So I want to invite you to look at your Capricorn spaces and how can they play with even some of your Aquarian placements, and is it asking for you to be restrictive, or is it asking you to take inventory of do you have the literal things you need to do the thing that you're saying that you want to do? And if the answer is no, is it a no forever, or is it a no for now?